What's up? All right, so today we are announcing the first version for feedback of backlinks in Workflowy. And I'm just going to show you really quickly what we've built so far, problems we're working on, and why it's different a little bit than the other things on the market. So first, what have we created? Basically, when you do an internal link, for example, I'll just do an internal link to here to an example. It creates a references section here. Inside that references section is the link. It's pretty standard. I'm going to show you just a quick example about why this is cool. And here we go. So let's say you're in a meeting with your boss. You work at this company, you have a big Workflowy document, and you have a project section. You probably have a lot more than 2 projects. And every morning you have a daily meeting. So today you're in a daily meeting and you're thinking about stuff, and someone's like, hey, Jesse, can you take care of that thing on feature X, which is a project we're working on, an awesome feature. And I'm like, yeah, I got it. And I'm like, okay, Jesse, to do that thing. And then I'll link to killer feature X. So this is in this meeting note. Now, if I navigate to killer feature X, you will see that in the references section, there's a little to do for me. You can filter for all the to dos here. And then from the references section, this is not going well. This is not going well. This is not going well. All right, in the spirit of just finishing, I will continue. Anyways, so here's something that's unique about our implementation. So when I was looking at how people were using Roam and Obsidian, it seemed like there was a lot of focus. The reason for backlinking was essentially aggregation, to collect all this stuff from all around your whole space, your whole database or graph or whatever you want to call it, and collect it into specific categories. Now, it also seemed like people wanted to be able to organize this stuff, and I feel like that is very natural. Like, you want to collect all your references, and then you want to organize those references. So it was important to me that you, for example, would be able to reorganize your references. And additionally, this is a pretty weird thing that's different. So that these references and other tools are kind of like, they are fixed. They are static. They are a list of all the things that reference, and you know everything that references this particular killer feature X is in this list. Now, I understand why that's useful, but to me, the ability to kind of take chaos and tame it and then reorganize it feels more important. So that's why we did something a bit different. So first, you can reorganize things here. And second, you can actually drag things out of references and into your main list. So then you can have a reference here that comes from some meeting, and that was this meeting over here. And you can go back to here to killer feature X, and that has become a to-do that can then move through your board or whatever you want. I think it makes it harder to find what you want to link to, and we need to address that and make it instant to find exactly what you would want to link to. When creating new nodes by typing inside brackets, that's also harder with this challenge because you need to choose a place. And those are the two main things I want to talk about right now.